When navigating the world of business software, you'll inevitably encounter various types of solutions designed to manage different aspects of an organization. In the financial sphere, while terms like accounting software or ERP are common, understanding the nuances of each system is crucial for making informed decisions. One such system that consistently garners attention is Sage Intacct. So, what kind of software is Sage Intacct? To truly grasp Sage Intacct's nature, it's best described as a cloud-based financial management platform, often classified as a best-in-class accounting software with strong enterprise resource planning (ERP) capabilities for the finance function. Unlike traditional on-premise accounting systems that require significant IT infrastructure and manual updates, Sage Intacct operates entirely in the cloud. This means it's accessible anywhere, anytime, from any device with an internet connection, offering unparalleled flexibility and scalability. It's important to differentiate Sage Intacct from basic accounting software. While it handles all the core accounting functions, general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management, it goes significantly beyond simple bookkeeping. It's designed for growing mid-market businesses and larger enterprises that have outgrown entry-level solutions like QuickBooks or Sage 50. These organizations typically face increasing complexity in their financial operations, requiring more robust features for reporting, automation, multi-entity management, and integration with other business systems. Key characteristics and capabilities. Let's break down the kind of software Sage Intacct is by exploring its core characteristics and the powerful capabilities it offers. Cloud native and true SaaS, software as a service, this is a fundamental distinction. Sage Intacct was built from the ground up as a cloud application, not simply adapted from an on-premise solution. This means it leverages the full benefits of cloud technology. Accessibility. Financial data and functionalities are available from any location, fostering remote work and collaboration. Scalability. As your business grows and its financial needs become more complex, Sage Intacct can effortlessly scale with you. You can add users, entities, and modules without significant IT overhead. Automatic updates. Updates, security patches, and new features are automatically delivered and managed by Sage, eliminating the need for manual installations and IT maintenance. Security and reliability. Cloud providers like Sage Intacct invest heavily in robust security measures and data backup protocols, often exceeding what individual businesses can achieve on their own. Modular and comprehensive financial management. While its core is accounting, Sage Intacct is structured with various modules that provide a comprehensive financial management suite. These include core financials, general ledger, often referred to as an intelligent GL, for its multidimensional capabilities, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management, multi-entity and global consolidations. A standout feature for businesses with multiple legal entities, subsidiaries, or international operations. It automates intercompany transactions, consolidates financial data across various currencies and entities, and provides real-time consolidated reporting. Project accounting, critical for service-based businesses, consulting firms, and project-driven organizations. This module allows for detailed project costing, billing, revenue recognition, and profitability analysis. Revenue recognition, essential for companies with complex revenue streams, especially those adhering to ASC 606, IFRS 15, standards for subscription or contract-based revenue. It automates the often intricate process of recognizing revenue correctly over time. Spend management provides control over purchasing, expenses, and budgets, helping organizations stay within financial guidelines. Inventory management. For businesses with physical goods, this module helps track, value, and manage inventory across locations. Fixed assets. Automates the management and depreciation of company assets. Powerful reporting and dashboards. Dimensional accounting. This is where Sage Intacct truly shines for finance professionals. It moves beyond traditional chart of accounts with its dimensions capability. Dimensions allow you to tag transactions and financial data with various attributes, e.g., department, project, location, customer, employee. This enables real-time insights, instant access to up-to-the-minute financial data. Customizable dashboards tailor dashboards to display key performance indicators, KPIs, relevant to different roles, CFOs, controllers, department heads, slice and dice reporting, analyze data from multiple angles without exporting to spreadsheets, providing deep insights into profitability, performance, and trends across different dimensions. Automated reporting generates standard and custom reports quickly, reducing manual report compilation time. Automation and workflow capabilities. Sage Intacct automates a significant number of routine financial tasks, which leads to increased efficiency, reduced errors, and faster financial closes. This includes automated workflows for approvals, bank reconciliations, intercompany transactions, and more. Robust integration with other systems. While primarily a financial management system, Sage Intacct features an open API, application programming interface, and a marketplace of pre-built integrations. This allows it to seamlessly connect with other critical business systems like CRM, customer relationship management, e.g., Salesforce, providing a unified view of sales and finance data, payroll and HR systems for streamlined people management, industry-specific applications for vertical markets like healthcare, nonprofits, software as a service, SaaS companies, and professional services. Who is Sage Intacct for? Sage Intacct is specifically designed for growing small and mid-sized businesses, SMBs, that have outgrown simpler accounting software. Larger enterprises looking for a best-in-class financial management system to complement or enhance their existing ERP infrastructure. Businesses in industries with complex accounting needs, such as SaaS, professional services, nonprofits, healthcare, and wholesale distribution. Organizations seeking to move their financial operations to the cloud for greater flexibility, scalability, and real-time insights.